That's how we plate it. Hata kama dania yetu imeiva lakini it's okay. It depends how we want our dania. Gravy. You love the gravy?
Yeah.
Wow. So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's all things African Nana here, your kissy queen, your kissy babe. First and foremost, let me thank you my subscribers for the returnees, especially for always coming back and watching my channel, and for the new subscribers. In case you are in YouTube and you are perusing, you see my channel, please make sure you subscribe, like and share, because this channel is full of positivity. Actually, I'm remaining with I think 40 subscribers so that we reach 10,000 subscribers. Let me not hip you up. So on today's video, we are making egg curry, egg gravy, and I have a guest here. She is a YouTuber, but sijaijua shida yake ni nini. She's a YouTuber, by the way. We met through YouTube, and I find her to be a very good, and she's a friend of mine, by the way. I love her because she doesn't use me that all the time she wants to be in YouTube. No, but today I'm hosting her and I'm cooking for her this meal, and she's never tasted such a meal. Let me call her.
Hi guys. My name is Brenda Nyaribo, and I feel grateful to be hosted by you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
She's making me egg curry with pilau.
No, with spaghetti.
With spaghetti.
Yeah.
Egg curry ilianza ka pilau, sahi imekuwa egg curry with spaghetti. You guys should see the ingredients. Oh my gosh. And it's totally something you can make at home.
Yeah, so you have spinster, by the way, you live alone. I think we should unafaa kujua, because I've been seeing you in my comment section that you really love my recipes.
Yeah.
So this is quick fix, by the way. So let us show them. Sindio?
Yes. let's cook with Nana.
First of all, we need onions. 2 onions cut into cube shaped, and then tomatoes cut into cube shaped. By the way, she's my sous chef. And then we have the coriander. We have separated the stalk and the leaves. Yeah. So she cut the stalk, the coriander stalk, and the leaves are here. And then the garlic. It's equal 4 cloves of garlic. Yeah. And of course we need boiled eggs. These are 6. As you can see, we are 2 people.
Yeah.
We are eating.
Mwili tunachia.
Tunacheza. So there are 3 boiled eggs, and of course we have maziwa mala.
Yeah,
buttermilk. Ata your sour, it's called butter whatever. Just tell me on the comment section. But maziwa mala, you can choose to use maziwa mala or plain yogurt or coconut cream.
Wow.
Unasikia? Okay. And then of course we have tomato paste
or puree,
tomato puree. And of course for the spices, now we need the coriander powder. We need the ginger. We need the cumin. Cumin is very good. We need onion powder. Let me tell you, the secret of good food is onions.
It's true, guys. She told me about onion powder, and it's been it cannot miss in my kitchen.
Yeah. So we have the chili powder. Of course, she loves chili. That's why I had to ask her first. So she's okay with chili. This is optional. Yeah. And of course we need curry powder. That's why it's called egg curry or egg gravy, because of this. So let's cook with
Maggi cubes.
I really love Maggi cubes. Then I have so much ingredients bakana sao. So she's holding the camera as I'm cooking. And let me tell you something. Egg curry you can eat with anything. You can eat with spaghetti. Yeah. You can eat with rice. But on today's video, because I know I did this egg curry some time ago, we are going to eat with spaghetti. You need it up directly upper. I'm so excited. Direct what I'm doing. We need to put our onions first. And guys, you know how I love my onions. So we'll give my onions like 5 minutes.
To get crispy
or golden brown, yeah. That's how we do it. There. So let's wait for them for 4 or to 5 minutes to be crispy. I think. There, just onyesha hapa. It is not my face, so now we are going to put our tomatoes. Tomatoes zetu tunaweka hapo. This is how I do it, and then we put our garlic and then the coriander sauce. Are you following?
Yes, we are.
This is quick fixes. By the way, ni food ya bachelor kabisa. Mona? Hata direct ni kama and then for all the spices, I've used this half tablespoon of all the spices. You're easy
Of all the spices.
And then we're going to put our tomato paste. We'll put our tomato paste. Sasa kuweka mingi sana itakuwa over. So we will wait for our tomatoes until inakuwa puree. Well done. These are very quick fixes. So people, you know, cooking is like a passion. It's like an art. Need to cook with love.
It is an art.
Unaonyesha vizuri? Kama? Najua umengoja vile utakula hii chakula.
Kwamba last time hata nilitunga
ya chapati.
Kila kitu chakula hadi ile ya nyama. Guys, we've done so many recipes. Ni vile tu. Hiyo time tumbo nilikuwa nafikiria.
So what we do, tunaona nyanya yetu imekuwa. Nyanya yetu imekuwa. Up close. What is the problem? Siko better? Siko better?
Lakini
nini? Up close. Siko iko better? And then, now we put our... You know, I'm not going to put any salt because of the Maggi cube. Maggi cube is on a chumvi sana. Now we are going to put our buttermilk.
Yes, there is our buttermilk. Wow.
Najua nasikia kulamba hiyo. And then we put our boiled eggs.
Guys, Nanata wafunza mambo. Ati maziwa mala imepikwa.
Si inakwanga kwa nini? Hujui? Kwa
mimi najua tu ni kwa chicken marination. Unekanga maziwa mala.
These are quick fixes. Hata nyinyi mnaweza ona ni quick fixes. Kwani biriani za Mombasa mnafikiri wazimekwa nini?
Maziwa mala?
Yes. Maziwa mala and nini? So we are going to wait for it ichemke kidogo. And then we are going to garnish it. Garnish, you see the terms I'm using.
Yeah.
We are going to garnish with coriander leaves. So we'll be back shortly. I know you know how we cook the spaghetti, and the accompaniment is spaghetti. We'll be back shortly.
Bye.
Unaona process. Now we are going to garnish it with
coriander.
With coriander. And you know the secret of cooking, even though I love using spices, you're supposed to put spices minimal and it's overpower food. You know me, I love mixing Kiswahili and English.
Yeah.
If
you need translation, comment down below.
Yeah. But I think it's self-explanatory. They're seeing what I'm doing.
Yeah.
So we garnish it with coriander leaves now.
In Kenya we call it dania.
Dania, yes. Ama ni cilantro. Naona kwa nitanga pia cilantro. We're going to garnish it. And you see imeanza kuwa mzito. It's supposed to be gravy. So we are going to let it simmer for like 5 more minutes. And then we are going to remove it. Ushaanza kusikia utamu.
It has a very good scent, guys.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more recipes because I'm a very good cook, certified cook. So Tukiendelea hapa na spaghetti.
It's sizzling. The spaghetti is getting ready.
Yeah. And you know how I do my spaghetti? I just boil them first with hot water and salt, and then after that nainina maji baridi and then nairudisha kwa mafuta.
Unaiosha? Okay guys,
we'll be back. Naonesha? Now the food is ready. You can see how it got gravy and the spaghetti is ready. Now we are going to plate. There's a way me I plate inanipeanga stress, lakini sasa mimi nafanya kienyeji. Ama acha nisifanye kienyeji. Let me not do kienyeji, si ndio?
Yeah. For internet purposes, you're gonna do the 5-class way. 5-star.
Huh?
Nice.
Kienyeji way. This is my kienyeji way. I don't feel like kushika. And this is a balanced diet.
It smells amazing, guys.
Tayari unasikia njaa?
Nakwambia. No, nimeiva haraka. It's a quick fix.
But it's a
quick lunch, brunch. Hadi usiku si unaweza kula hadi usiku. Akatusikia kupika food.
That's how we plate it. Hata kama dania yetu imeiva, lakini it's okay. Depends how we want our dania. Gravy. You love the gravy?
Yeah.
Wow. Ushasikia hata njaa tayari. Now I want you, ngoja kwanza. Ndio hiyo food. Takuonyesha mambo. Yeah. Ndio hiyo food sasa, you can see it. Very yummy. I want you to taste.
Okay.
Taste it. Taste.
Let's first of all do the necessary.
You're praying for the food. Taste it. Uniambie your honest opinion. Sawa?
Nakwambia guys, this spaghetti ina flow.
Unajua unatoa na kama yai uweke kwa mdomo. How can you rate it?
Naweza sema I feel like I can taste the spices too. The coriander is really in a blow. In a blow
because we have separated the leaves and the stem.
In a really nice way, like when I feel I excess. And then nimekula chef name. And then the spaghetti is not unaona vile spaghetti
huwa inashikana.
It's really sturdy. Alafu na acha tume mayai. I give you a 10 over 10.
10 over 10, really?
The paste. Yeah, this paste and the spaghetti is really good. Let's fill the poached eggs. How many see poached eggs?
See poached bado. But I know how to cook poached whatever.
Because it's really hot, but we have to taste.
Now that's egg curry. You've never ujai kula kitu, are you sure?
This is amazing now. Guys, let's try this recipe. I give this food a 10 over 10 and I'm not being biased.
Really? After the spices ziko.
Alafu egg ni kama imemeza spice, flavor ya spices. So, it's like you're eating the curry. As in, cumin siko sure can naweza tell taste ya cumin na ulimi. But you can feel those spices zenye ulikuwa unaweka, including adio magi. Unaifeel kwa hii mayai. Si plain egg taste pekee.
When they were
Subscribe guys, try this recipe and comment below when you do it.
They thank us later.
Yes.
And it goes with rice. By the rice, ata mashed potatoes, it goes well with all that.
Okay.
But naonanga watu sana wanakula na spaghetti. You know, it's an Indian cuisine.
Wow.
Whatever, it goes well with spaghetti and nini. Wacha
Nadi yo pilipili ni eatable.
Pendaje hii food? By the way, it's so yummy. I've never missed the oil tumia na maziwa mala. I use it with plain yogurt.
Miss Jay kula food kai, so this is amazing. Kwanza hiyo mala.
Ndakuonesha maneno na recipes zangu.
Wallahi.
So guys, keep on watching my channel. Don't skip the ad. Support this channel by watching my videos from the start up to the end. Put your post notification bell on, which is on the left side. And guys, this lady is also in YouTube, but sijui shida yake ni nini.
Let me tell you guys. First of all, support this channel so that she keeps calling me when she's cooking. And the videos keep going. Yeah, as for my YouTube channel, Niko all over, achana na nana. Posts do come. Although zinakamingi at intervals of monthly basis. But, tunajaribu.
Must you tell them you also sell land?
Oh guys, yeah, you'll see it on my YouTube channel. Go to Brenda Nyaribo and other short stories. Find me there. I've been changing the name of my channel since when, but Brenda Nyaribo
You're not supposed to. You're not supposed to be changing.
Well, let me see.
People will take your name.
I even decided to do my actual name in the end. Nilishinda kuchagua jina guys ya social media.
I also do concierge services. By now you know. It's more of personal shopping. Doing errands.
Yeah, we did that one. It's dropping on my YouTube channels.
So,
yes.
So see you in the next video. Love you. Cheers.
Cheers.
Ati umesemaje?
Jenga mwili.
Ndio hiyo. This is the situation. Situation.